To make the query scripts you've developed available to the runner users, you can use the publish feature. Publishing allows the script developer to embed the query script into the Excel data template. The runner users will then only need the Excel file to be able to run queries directly from Excel by using the WinShuttle add-in. Additionally, multiple query scripts can be published to a single Excel file to enable users to run multiple queries from the same data template. This simplifies solution distribution and makes it easier for the end users, as they do not need to deal with multiple scripts and multiple Excel templates and so on. So, once you have finished developing and testing your query script, use the publish feature on the run page to embed the query script file to the Excel template. If needed, you can also lock the run settings to prevent the runner users from making changes to these settings once the solution has been published. You can, for instance, lock the Excel range where the query results will be extracted to, or force the users to provide a run reason every time they run the query. The publishing process itself is a simple matter of providing a descriptive name for your script and the Excel file you want to embed the query into. When publishing multiple queries to the same template, run the publish wizard again for each subsequent query file and select the same Excel data template as the target file. Once published, the queries can be accessed directly from within Excel by using the WinShuttle Excel add-in. If you have published multiple queries into the same Excel template, the queries will show up as drop-down menu options in the Excel add-in. In addition to query scripts, you can also publish WinShuttle transaction data upload scripts to the same Excel template to enable users to seamlessly run data round-trip processes using the add-in. This means the runner users can, for instance, first run a query script to extract the data from SAP, manipulate the results in Excel as needed, and finally run a transaction script to upload the changes back into SAP. All this without ever leaving Excel. Here's an example of how we're going to use embedded scripts and the WinShuttle Excel add-in for round-trip processes. This is a cost center data related template here, and since this is a published solution, I can simply switch over to the WinShuttle Run tab and first start the data extract process here. So we'll need some cost center data in our template. So I'll just run our query first, provide the filter data, just so we'll limit the amount of records a little bit so we don't get too much data here. Then that'll start the data extract from SAP. There we go, 175 records extracted. And now I'll just modify the data a bit here somehow. I'll just pick some records using one of the filters here. So I'll filter by the person responsible, for instance. And I'll change myself to be the person responsible for these selected cost centers. Now, once I'm happy with the changes I've made, I can switch over to the WinShuttle transaction script, which we have embedded here to this template as well. And then I can start the data upload run, which will then connect to SAP and upload these changes back in. And then we'll get an acknowledgement message here in the log column once each cost center has been updated. So this is how you can use WinShuttle query together with WinShuttle transaction to enable the users to perform these kinds of round-trip data update or mass maintenance processes.